heat embossing, if you ever find that your embossing pad is starting to get a little bit dry and you've put one on order but it's not arrived yet, or you've been to the shops and can't find it, whatever it may be, if you need an embossing ink instantly, best thing to do is reinvigorate this ink pad using petroleum jelly. So all you need to do is take a palette knife, a lollipop stick, something like that, even your finger, and just smear some petroleum jelly into the foam pad there. So pressing it in as much as possible, and then what you'll need to do is remove any excess, because this will only fill up until it's saturated, and then just scrape any excess off of the top surface there, and you have yourself there a completely new embossing ink pad. Now, of course, this isn't going to be quite as perfect as your embossing ink that you can buy, but it's certainly a handy tip to keep you going if it's late at night and you want to do some embossing.